Ever seen those amazing AI videos and thought to yourself, I could never make that? Well, what if I told you that you can turn any picture, a photo, a drawing, even an AI-generated image, into a stunning, moving video in less than 5 minutes? No previous experience required. Stick with me, that internet guy, and I'll show you exactly how step by step. In this video, you will learn how to find the AI Image-to-Video tool inside FlexClip. The 2 ways to start, with your own image or by creating one with AI. How to write an effective prompt for the best results. My top tips for saving your video and managing your credits. And finally, how to download and find your finished video on your computer. Let's dive in. Section 1. Getting started. First, head to FlexClip.com in your browser. If you don't have an account, signing up is quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. To find a magic tool, look to the left-hand column. Click on AI Tools, and then click on AI Video Generator. A link to this page is in the description below. On the new page that loads, you'll see a few options. Click on Image-to-Video. This is your launch pad. This is where a simple image transforms into a dynamic video. Section 2. Option 1. Uploading your own image. Let's start with the first option, uploading your own image. Step 1 is all about preparation. First, you'll select your AI model. You have Standard, Pro, Ultra, and many more. For most beginners, Pro is a great balance of quality and speed. I'll select Pro for this demo. Now, click the Upload button. This opens your computer's file explorer. Find the image you want to use, maybe a vacation photo or a piece of art, and open it. Next, the most important part, the prompt. In this box, you need to describe the motion you want to see. Here's a pro tip for beginners. Don't be vague. Instead of just a person sitting at a desk, try, a person is sitting at a desk looking at the computer monitor, while typing on the keyboard, with fingers moving naturally. The more detail you give the AI, the better and more specific your video will be. If you're stuck, click the prompt guide for fantastic examples and advice. And here's another pro tip. I often use an AI chatbot, like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, DeepSeek, or Microsoft Copilot, to brainstorm and write incredibly detailed prompts for me. I will ask the chatbot something like, please create a 100-word description about a person who is sitting in front of a computer, rich in detail that I can cut and paste into the FlexClip AI Image-to-Video tool. Finally, select your duration, 5 or 10 seconds. Remember, longer videos use more credits. And that's it for setup. With just a few clicks, we've told the AI everything it needs. Section 3. Generating and saving Option 1. Now for the fun part. Step 2. Click the big Generate button. The AI will now get to work. This can take a minute or 2, so be patient. A quick note, if you ever get an error, don't panic. You haven't used any credits, and you can just try your request again. And look at that. In less than a minute, we have our final video. Now, step 3, let's save it. Simply click the download button to save the video file directly to your computer. By default, it will usually go to your downloads folder. To find it, just open your file explorer and navigate to downloads. You can double-click the file to play it instantly. And just like that, you've created and saved your first AI video. Section 4. Option 2. Using a FlexClip AI image. But what if you don't have an image to start with? Try the FlexClip Text-to-Image tool to create an image. Check out my FlexClip AI Text-to-Image tutorial for beginners, where I guide you through the steps to generate an AI image from a text prompt. In that tutorial, I also guide you through the steps to take that image and generate a short video. Conclusion and recap. And that's it. From a simple, static image to a captivating, short video in just a few minutes. No cameras, no complex software, just the power of AI. So, let's do a quick recap of what you learned today. You learned how to navigate to the FlexClip AI Image-to-Video tool. You saw how to use both your own images and AI-generated ones. You learned my key tip about writing detailed prompts for better videos. And you now know how to generate, download, and find your masterpieces. You're all set to go and bring your own ideas to life. Did you find this tutorial helpful? If so, I'd really appreciate a like and a comment below with your suggestions. Subscribe to my channel for more simple guides to amazing tech. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.